RC project demo 1. This forward position. As you can see, the lights are blinking for the red, blue, and red and blue. And then the green light is on while the car is moving forward. Putting it in reverse mode now. As you can see, the wheels go back. The red and blue is still showing, and then now the LED is red. And then putting it back into forward. Changing speed to slow and fast. Slow and fast. I'm going to turn right. And turn right again. Yeah. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Going back into reverse. Come to showcase the LDR and the intensity when there's and highlight the white light goes off when there's no light. The white light comes on when it's dark. Now the light goes on. Okay. I've come to for the regulating the blink rates. I didn't have enough LEDs and the space on my breadboard was running out, so I decided to use that on the beeping. So now when I change the potentiometers, it beeps faster. Goes back to the normal, and when I take it all the way to the end, the beep is much longer. This is the normal, and then back is 100 milliseconds intervals. Yes, I think I've gotten everything covered here. I'll just turn it off. Or preset mode. So when I use P, let me go in reverse. Because the preset mode, it goes forward, goes backwards, and goes forward again. So this preset mode goes forward, goes backwards, and then goes forward again. It stops. Yeah. Put it back into manual mode. Starts. Go forward, backwards, forward, backwards, fast. Yeah. Moving forward and meets an obstacle. Moving backwards and meet an obstacle. Comes back. If there's any obstacle, it's able to detect based on the ultrasonic sensor. Yeah.